Hello, guys. I hope you're doing okay. I just want to, sit here and do some makeup with you guys. Okay, like what I just did there, just prime my eye. You guys are very familiar with this palette. It's from a brand called Aflano. So I'm just mixing two green shades together just to create this look. It's Christmas look I'm going for. That there is nothing, absolutely nothing major, you know. I don't have a new palette, so I just like, let me just see here and just do makeup without talking. Then I will come and talk to you guys. So are you ready for this Christmas? What are you guys doing? Just let me know on a comment below. So I use a lighter version to just lighten it. You guys know my technique by now. And yes, so I take a P. Louise base red, like a red shade. Yeah, red shade to cut my crease because I'm going for a Christmas look. This look is actually a collab with our May Girl Makeup by D on Instagram. She has been so supportive. She said, let's do a look together. Oh, I was like, oh my god, I've not really done a Christmas look. I just kind of figured it out. What should I do? Red and green. So yes, and if you want to check the look out on Instagram, it's on my page, and also as well as Makeup by D page as well. So she now do the same look, kind of slightly gonna match it with mine. So gorgeous. She's so supportive. God bless her. Then I just set it with red shade, matte shade, matte shade. I just kind of set it because it's not dry. Then once I've done that, there is absolutely nothing major when it comes to this look. I just set it, keep setting it with matte shade, red. Because I have hooded eye, if I do not set it, it will transfer to the green shade I've already have on. So I will quickly set the other eye again with red matte shade. I put some sellotape on to guide me anyway. You can see some part of my outer V is shiny. That is sellotape I put there. Then I went back with the green shade, kind of dipping in. So on that palette, you have about 3 pressed glitter chunky. So I just use one of our brush to just dip in. It's not like a liquid eyeliner or whatsoever. It's just a pressed glitter. When it comes to Christmas, it's all about glittering, shiny, red, green. I'm trying to just do anything basically that represent Christmas. I will say, as you can see, the tree behind me is green. The stuff for the tree is silver, glitter stuff. Just opposite the tree, mini glittery mini tree is there behind me. So it's all about Christmas. So yeah, I was just here having fun trying to do makeup basically. Now this eyeliner I'm using is white. I got it from Revolution. Tried to use it. I don't know. It wasn't giving me that vibe. I just put it back in my drawer. Then I was looking for white eyeliner to do like a snowflake. I said, you know what, let me just try this, whatever happens. So I'm trying to draw a snowflake right now. I'm not gonna do it too much. It's just one snowflake I just need there because I don't want too much distraction when it comes to the green and the red and the line I drew on it. I just don't want too much distraction. So I'm just gonna do just this one eye, put snowflake on it, then that's all. I'm just putting like a dot around it now because I don't really know how to draw that much. I'm learning how to draw. You have to do what you have to do. I've done it now. Okay, so I'm just powdering my face at this moment. I think I used Revolution face powder. I can't even remember because I made this video weeks ago. I use our eyeliner gel from our brand. This is from Revolution. I used to love this. I still like it if I do not want a very strong bronze. It's not too far from my actual powder color shade, if that makes sense, but it's fine. I also use the same thing, the same contour, bronze for my nose. Don't really contour my nose a lot, but I just want to give it some definition. Well, the eyeliner I use, eyebrow pencil I use from our brand. The eyeliner is from our brand. Some makeup brushes. Yeah, this very one is the new set. This set is gorgeous. The blush I'm using is the new one from the Beauty Bay. It's not too harsh again. Just like give me that just little bit rosy cheek. That's all. There is no. I like it. I'll be using it now. I think this was my first time. Then the video that is coming out today is actually my third time I'm using it. Setting spray from Barry M. Just let it dry a little bit. Then this is Makeup Academy. When I first got this from Superdrug, I didn't like it. Maybe the way I was using it, but now I use it just after I spray. Oh my god, you can see that highlighter from Space. This stuff is glowing. Jeez, and you only need a little bit. So the same that P. Louise base paint, whatever they call it, the red shade of it, the red version, I'm using it for my under eye because I just want a similar thing I have on my eyelid for my bottom lash. So I will kind of set it now with the red shade again, both eyes, just exactly what I did on my eyelid. I will set it first, then I will move on to use the green shade to kind of just give it that green and red, that green and red Christmassy vibe. It was a very, very simple eye look. So the pressed glitter I use, to do liner, that's exactly the same one I use on my inner corner. It looks so gorgeous, guys. Here I am, all completed. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Merry Christmas. Bye bye.